everyone, and welcome to today's session. My name is Sara Stebakova, and I'm your reporting specialist from OnPoint. Today, I will introduce you a solution that makes reporting simpler, more efficient, and more accessible, especially for companies that want data insights without relying on IT or dealing with complex setups. So let's talk about Power BI Hub. Power BI Hub is a cloud-based reporting platform that gives your business powerful reporting capabilities, but with a twist. It eliminates the need for expensive user licenses, internal IT support, and complex configurations. And how? Because it's delivered as a service. That means reports are prepared and updated by reporting specialists like myself, and everything is set up by OnPoint, tailored to your company. So you just log in and start using it. No installation, no maintenance, and no hassle. This makes it ideal for companies that want easy access to up-to-date data without needing technical skills or infrastructure. Let's look at how Power BI Hub compares to the standard Power BI approach. In traditional Power BI, every user needs a paid license. With Power BI Hub, you pay one flat subscription fee with no per-user costs. Power BI requires setup, configuration, and ongoing report updates. But with Power BI Hub, we take care of all of that for you. Power BI is typically limited to internal users, but Power BI Hub lets you share dashboards securely with external partners like client, vendors, stakeholders, etc., using password-protected links with custom access rules. In short, Power BI Hub removes technical and financial barriers to professional reporting. Here are the key benefits of Power BI Hub. First one is cost savings. Flat rate pricing means you don't have to worry about license costs growing with your team. There is also no IT dependency. Means that we handle the reports for you so your IT team can focus on other priorities. Third one is regular report updates. Means that every 2 months you receive new and improved reports without extra development. There is also cloud-based convenience. So it means that there is no need for local infrastructure because everything runs online and it is secure and smooth. And there is also scalability, means that as your business grows, your reporting grows with you, but your costs don't. And Power BI Hub connects easily with systems like Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, so you get a complete view of your data. And the last one is secure sharing, means that you can share reports or dashboards with internal or external users while keeping control over access. And now we will move on to practical demo of Power BI Hub. And in this short demo, you will see how users access the Power BI Hub, how they view the reports and share insights, and this all without needing any setup or technical support. So let's jump into the demo. Okay, so now let's look at the Power BI Hub environment itself. Each user logs into a clean, user-friendly dashboard. No setup or installation is required. On the left, you can see a menu panel with categorized reports like logistic, items margin, wages, etc. These categories are fully customizable to fit your company structure. Navigation is very intuitive, so you simply click on a section and the related reports appear instantly. Let's open a sample report, for example, HR. Reports are clearly named and organized in categories, so users always know where to look. And there is also no need to search through inboxes or rely on IT. Everything is structured for ease of use. And when the report opens, you get instant access to live data visualizations. Now we are looking at the report. So let's explore what we can do here. As a user, you can apply filters, for example, like by personal leader. We can choose the first one, and now we can see the employees who has the same personal leader. Also, there are another charts, for example, employees by gender, employees by type of contract, and by age category. You can also export visuals or data if your permission allow it. And some reports also include predefined KPIs or bookmarks to make analysis even faster. Here's a major advantage. Reports update automatically. There is no need for users to refresh data or request updated versions. Reports reflect the most current data always. Behind the scenes, OnPoint takes care of data connections and scheduling, so your dashboards are always reliable and accurate, with zero manual work on your site. Let's look at sharing now. Each report can be shared securely, both internally and with external stakeholders, like clients, partners, or auditors. And you can generate password-protected link. So here is the way. You can click on this button, and there are many possibilities to share this report. And after that, we can click on share, copy a link, and now everything is prepared. And here is the key point. The recipient doesn't need Power BI lessons to view the report. It's as simple as opening link, but with full control over access. Now let's speak at the admin view. Admins can assign roles and permission to each user in these settings. So here are many groups and many roles. Also, we can limit access to certain reports in this type of settings. So we can choose the HR report, and now we can choose the groups who has the access, and also control who can view, filter, or export data. All of this is managed in a clean interface backed by Azure Active Directory for secure authentication. And if you use Microsoft ecosystem, it integrates seamlessly with your existing identity management. So that was a practical walkthrough of Power BI Hub. As you have seen, it's a powerful yet simple platform that gives user easy access to insights, reduce IT dependency, and lets your company share data securely inside and outside the organization. With just a few clicks, users can explore data, generate insights, and make better decisions. If you are curious to see how it could work in your company, feel free to reach out. We would be happy to prepare a customized demo just for you. Thank you. When it comes to reporting, security is non-negotiable, especially when sharing sensitive data. First, let's talk about authentication and access control. Power BI Hub uses Microsoft multi-factor authentication and single sign-on, so your users can access reports securely and easily, without having to remember multiple passwords. We also use Azure Active Directory B2B which means external users can be managed and authenticate just as securely as internal ones. And second is about report sharing. With Power BI Hub, users can easily share reports outside the organization with clients, vendors, or partners. So you can set expiration dates on links, protect access with passwords, and limit access to specific recipients. It's a secure and controlled way to collaborate beyond your internal teams. So how to get started? The process is simple and guided by on point from the beginning. First one, we will configure the Power BI Hub environment based on your business structure, including user groups, roles, and connections to your data sources. Second one, every 2 months you will receive new reports created by our specialists based on current business needs and trends. No development required on your side. And the last one is that our team provides onboarding and ongoing support, so you and your colleagues always feel confident using the Power BI Hub, whether you are an analyst or business manager. To wrap it all up, Power BI Hub brings you expert-built reports, hassle-free access and sharing, also continuous updates, and user-friendly experience without licensing headaches or IT overload. So if you are ready to simplify reporting and empower your team with better data, we are here to help you get started. Thank you so much for your time, and feel free to reach out if you'd like to a personalized consultation or demo. I will be happy to guide you through it.